Hey everyone, Corey from CannaPlanners here with another video to talk to you about creating coupon codes within WooCommerce. So to get started, we're going to navigate within our dashboard to Marketing Coupons. Now, if you already have coupon codes in your store, this is where you'll see them listed out. We're starting from scratch here, so we're going to go ahead and click the Create Your First Coupon button. Now, when it comes to creating coupon codes, there are a lot of different options. Let's go through them one by one, starting with the coupon code box at the top of the page. This is going to be the code that you're giving out to your customers for them to enter into their carts at checkout. Let's say that you're doing some kind of a Black Friday special. We'll call the coupon code Black Friday. You could also, if you wanted to, just generate a coupon code with this button, and it will create a unique coupon that you can then use for your special. Now let's go back to what we had. The description is purely for admin purposes. We'll just put in a test message there. Only you will see this on the back end of your website. And now we'll get to probably the most important part of the coupon code piece, which is the discount type. Now if I click on this dropdown, you'll see I've got a few different options. These three at the top here are the most important ones. So we have percentage discount, fixed cart discount, and fixed product discount. If I choose a percentage discount and I type in, say, 20, what this will do is when a customer enters in this coupon code into their cart, they will get 20% off of their entire order. Whereas if I was to choose the next option down, fixed cart discount, this would simply subtract $20 from their total order. The third option, fixed product discount, works similar to the fixed cart discount, but instead what it does is it subtracts the coupon amount from a particular product that's in the customer's cart. Now, there's a couple more options on the general tab of the coupon data section. This first one here, allow free shipping. We will come back to that later. I'll show you how to create a free shipping coupon code. And the last option here is the coupon expiry date, which lets you pick a date after which the coupon code will no longer work. Now let's move on to the next tab called Usage Restriction. And on this tab are a lot of settings to allow you to choose in which way your coupon code can be used. So for example, you can set a minimum dollar spend for the coupon to become activated. Similarly, you can also do a maximum spend. You can decide whether or not this coupon can be used in conjunction with any other coupon. So say you have two different coupons running at the same time and you don't want someone to be able to use both, you would check this box. Similarly, if you don't want the coupon to work on items that are already on sale, check this box and that will prevent that from happening as well. The next section on this page allows you to pick which products the coupon code applies to and which products it does not apply to. Now these are both optional, but say you wanted a coupon to apply the discount only to a given product, let's say this one we have here in our store, and then also you wanted it to not apply to a different product. You type in their names and select them from the list to set that up. Same thing goes for the next section. Instead of including or excluding products, you can include and exclude categories. Now the last section on this page is called Allowed Emails. You can type in specific email addresses that you want this coupon code to be applied to. This is good if you're ever wanting to create a test coupon for yourself and you don't want anyone else to use it. You can just put in your email address here and that will restrict the coupon use to just you. Okay, and the last tab on the coupon data section is called Usage Limits. And this basically allows you to decide how many times a coupon code can be used in a specific context. So for example, if you wanted a coupon code to only work 100 times, inside of the usage limit per coupon box, you would put in 100, and that would make it so, after the 100th time of this coupon being used, it would become deactivated. And then the last box is called usage limit per user. A lot of times you might only want a person to be able to use a coupon code once. So you might type in 1 here, and what that would do is when somebody uses a coupon code and checks out, if they try to use it again, it's going to stop them. And when you're all set creating your coupon, you just hit publish, and this will save the coupon to your store, and you can then distribute this code out to your customers. So to wrap up this video, let's go over creating a coupon code that works specifically to allow free shipping at checkout. So let's click Add Coupon. Let's type in a coupon code. Let's just call it free shipping. And we'll go down to the first tab in the coupon data section, and we will check this box that says allow free shipping. And then we'll hit publish. Now you see in the fine print next to the allow free shipping checkbox that a free shipping method must be enabled in your shipping zone and be set to require a valid free shipping coupon. So let me show you how that works. We'll navigate to WooCommerce settings. And within our settings page, we're going to click on the shipping tab. And then if we scroll down, we're now on the shipping zones page. You should have just one zone. Usually it's called United States, but most of the time there's only going to be one zone here. So go ahead and click on that to edit it. On this page, we can see all of the shipping methods that we have set up for our shipping zone. I already have a free shipping method set up, but if you don't have one, the first step you want to take is to click the Add Shipping Method button. And from the drop-down, select Free Shipping, and then click Add Shipping Method. Now that shipping method is added to the bottom of our list, if I hover over the free shipping method and click Edit, you'll see we have this Free Shipping Requires setting. And if I click the drop-down, one of the options is a valid free shipping coupon. And if I save changes, so what we've done is we've created a free shipping coupon, and we've also created a free shipping method which will be enabled when somebody enters that coupon at checkout. Another thing you can do in my original free shipping method is you have the option of turning free shipping on for a minimum order amount, as well as a minimum order amount and some combination of a coupon code. The exact one that you use is up to you. The one that probably makes the most sense is a minimum order amount or a coupon. If I click the Save Changes button, what this would do is allow somebody to enter in the free shipping coupon code at checkout, or they can also add $100 worth of products to their cart and receive free shipping as well. Okay, that wraps up our coupon code creation video. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@CannaPlanners.com, and take care.